Do you need up to $150,000 worth of business funding for your investment? And you need to obtain all the funding you need. Maybe you want to invest or become a consultant. We will make sure you get the best rates, get it done fast, and qualify for all the funding that you need without actually harming your credit. See, this is another complicated funding process, high risk or high interest loan, something that probably will not ruin your credit because those services will not work for everyone. Let me explain why. Your credit took a hit, you didn't get approved for something, and now you're more confused than ever. And it feels like you wasted all your time and money. See, the problem is that banking is confusing, and the requirements can feel strict, very random, or could be very elusive at the moment. See, there's a whole entire process. It does take a lot of time, and making one mistake can ruin your chances of getting approved. Getting access to extra capital right now is very vital, and it's important to take you to the next level. You needed to get into real estate, start your business, pay your bills, and protect your savings. Maybe you are a CPA, maybe you are working in the health industry. You could be a medic, you could be a doctor, you could be somebody in a particular industry, and you're ready to get your own business started very fast, but you don't know where to apply, and you don't know how to get the best rates. You don't know what to say on applications to get the best results, and ultimately, you do not want to waste your time doing this incorrectly. Well, that's where we come in. Without all the headaches and without making any mistakes, you need this now. The lack of capital can cause many different issues, right? It could cause you to go into your savings. It could cause you to go into debt. It can cause you to get make your credit even worse. See, the truth is the banks want to lend money to you, but they also want to make money off of the interest that they're going to give you when they give you money. And lending money out is how they make money. But if this is the case, why does it seem so difficult? Today, the banks get so many different applications, right? And it's impossible for them to manually review each and every one of them. So they have an automated process in which they have AI reviewing them. But this is a good thing. You can check all their boxes and make sure you have everything in your end done correctly. The back end system instantly approves you, and you can get all the funding that you need. It's like having a school. You're given all the answers, and it's effective. There's a technique that is working. You know exactly what to do and you get the results. So, if you know a while getting people approved, and we have hundreds of clients, and getting clients up to millions and millions of dollars is something that we've had an expertise in. We've mastered the funding process, so we know exactly what to do. And then we also have coaches, consultants that receive massive funding. This is called the fast funding formula. It's a one of a kind strategy, and it can help you take you to the next level. It will help you qualify for 50,000 to 150,000 of funding faster, easier, and more. Bookkeeper, CPA, real estate person, or somewhere in healthcare, you want to start your own business, we could get you funding. And if you recently just started your business, we can still get you a lot of money to get funding. You don't have to make big revenue. You don't have to have the perfect credit. This means that our fast formula can turn anyone into the perfect candidate and can get them funding to invest in themselves and invest in their dreams. For the best terms at 100% interest with the support in the bankers and experts. We came across this plan a long time ago, and I even had to jump from job to job to maintain bills, but not until I got into business funding and credit, I was actually able to get some traction. At one point, I felt stuck. There was no movement, and I needed to refinance the debt to escape through high interest. Because high interest is a cycle, a vicious cycle that will keep you into debt. My credit wasn't perfect and the score was a 680, but the business was new and it wasn't really making any revenue. I didn't have any instructions or information on where to apply, how to apply, so I continued to find a solution speaking with lawyers, speaking with people who are consultants and who are already in the industry, was able to help us solve many of the problems that we are going to be working on to fix yours. I was able to refinance all my debt, and I have a hell of a story. I had plenty of clients who I was able to share this same information with, and we was able to take things to the next level with my team. I do have a team. My team together They're all going to be playing a different role into helping us get your profile in the right place. So you're going to see people who are part of my company and who are part of my team and my network, all working together as a collaborative to make sure we execute our formula plan. My mission is to help you become the next perfect borrower, the Cinderella profile. First, we review your credit business profile and determine what are the necessary steps. Funding is very predictable, and you know exactly what the banks want to see. We analyze your credit report and business, we build a custom roadmap, and then we help you optimize and become the perfect borrower, and it makes everything easier for you. All personalized for you. So this is exactly what we're going to do to make sure you get funded. Now it's time to explain the accelerated funding. So based on your credit profile and business setup, we create the capital funding sequence, and then we also put you in our portal where you can see all of your offers and how you're going to get the money, the banks, the terms, and the banking relationships that you're going to have. They can submit application directly to the underwriters. This helps us get easier approvals for higher limits. So instead of submitting the application online, just like everyone else, hopping in the algorithm that likes you, a relationship manager will represent your business. The relationship manager will communicate with the lender team. Following up on applications is important so that it goes faster, and is going to ask for increased limits. It's going to give you the most exclusive clubs in town with the longest lines, but you know all the owners. For every application, we'll help you prepare so you know what to apply for, what to say on the application, and what to do if you get approved or denied. So you're going to see different people responding to somebody on my team that does do with the expertise in funding, and I also have different credit repair specialists. So we have three phases: the Cinderella profile, accelerating funding, then credit maximization. And we help you maximize your business funding so you can get the most out of it. We will help you turn credit into cash, turn business spending 0% funding. So you can do all of this on your own. And you won't even have the time to test to figure it out on your own. So we're going to be doing it for you. Instead, what if we give you the entire strategy, then we work one-on-one to implement this? You get the knowledge, strategy, hacks, contacts that we have been putting together for years, and you'll qualify for up to 150,000 with 0%. The same process that helps me refinance, the same process that helps my bank. And you'll be able to have your own one-on-one strategy just in case you decide to move on from us, you can still apply those things in your life. So inside you will get an onboarding call with a roadmap based on your profile, client profile, customer steps, detailed instructions, letter templates, dispute scripts for credit optimization, discount business and services, LLC, email, website, and instructions to build and strengthen your business credit profile. You get an exclusive underwriting checklist, exclusive banking contacts, latest inside industry data points, and one-on-one Slack channel for us. So we'll do it all for you. And you'll be able to qualify. You also get expedited credit removal, credit to cash hack, converting cash credit to cash at the bank, D5KO accelerated repair. And if you want to become the perfect borrower, you have to make sure you book a